Good morning, everyone. Now, today we are going to see our lessons. Last page, Pippi Longstocking. We saw that how Pippi walking backward, one foot on footpath and other is in gutter side. Tommy and Anika, how they are looking to her. Mr. Nelson sitting on her shoulder. After that, see this. First of all, I'm going to read this. It's weak to lie, said Anika, who had at last gathered up enough courage to speak. Yes, it's very weak to lie, said Pippi, even more sadly, but I forgot it now and then. And how can you expect a little child like me to always tell the truth when my mother is an angel and my father is a king of a cannibal island and I have sailed on the ocean all my life? Then Pippi smiled and continued, and let me tell you that in a Congo there is not a single person who tells the truth. They lie all day long, begin at 7 in the morning and keep on until sundown. So, if I should happen to lie now and then, you must try to excuse me and to remember that it is only because I stay in the Congo a little too long. We can be friends anyway, can't we? Oh, sure, said Tommy. I realized suddenly that this was not going to be one of those dull days. But the way, would you come and have a breakfast with me? Asked Pippi. Why not? Said Tommy. Come on, let's go. Oh, yes, let's, said Anika. But first, I must introduce you to Mr. Nilsson, said Pippi, and the little monkey took off his cap and bowed politely. Now, here is the story how the three of them became friends. Yes, it's very weak to lie. What is this? Jhut bolna is not good. So, said Pippi even more sadly. And these things Pippi are saying too much sadly. Means unhappily. But I forgot it now and then. And how can you expect a little child like me to always tell the truth? What she is saying to both of them? Pippi saying, how you are going to accept from me? I'm always going to tell the truth when my mother is an angel. Means Pippi don't have mother. Her mother became an angel. Means पिप्पी की मम्मा जी नहीं है, उनकी डेथ हो गई है, इसलिए वो कहती है मेरी मम्मा ऊपर जाकर एंजल मीन्स देवदूत बनी है. माई फादर इज़ अ किंग ऑफ कैनिबल आइलैंड. हियर इज़ द नेम ऑफ आइलैंड. उसके जो पापा है वो कौन है? किंग ऑफ कैनिबल आइलैंड. एंड आई हैव सेल्ड ऑल द ओशन all my life. Then Pippi smiled and continued, and let me tell you that in the Congo, what she is saying, my mother is not alive. She became an angel. My father is a king of Cannibal Island, and all those things she is saying to Anika and Tommy, and smile, saying all those things and smile. And let me tell you that the Congo there is not a single person who tells the truth. What she is saying to both of them, in Congo not a single person, no, not a one person who is going to tell the truth. They lie all day. means whole day they are speaking lie, but this is a bad thing. She is saying all those things in a prank manner. Being at 7 in the morning and keep on until sundown. So if I should happen to lie now, and then you must try to excuse me, and remember that it is only because I stay in the Congo. What she is saying to say, if I am going to speak in lie, so don't excuse me means मुझे forget किया करो, क्योंकि मैं कांगो में रही हूँ, वही आदत मुझे लगी हुई है। ये याद रखा करो। रिमेंबर मीन्स याद रखना। इट इज़ ओनली बिकॉज आई स्टेड इन अ कॉन्गो आई लिटिल टू लॉन्ग बट वी कैन बी फ्रेंड्स अवे कांट वी। ओ श्योर सेड टॉमी। व्हाट शी सेइंग, बट अभी हम क्या हो गए हैं, फ्रेंड हो गए हैं। कुछ भी हो लेकिन हम क्या हो गए, अभी फ्रेंड हो गए। टॉमी क्या कहता है, ओ यस श्योर, एंड रियलाइज सडनली दैट दिस वॉज नॉट गोइंग टू बी वन ऑफ दोज डल डेज। मीन्स वैकेशन में क्या होता है, अगर कुछ खेलने को नहीं मिले, कुछ करने को नहीं मिले, तो क्या हो जाता है, बच्चों को बोर हो जाता है। वैसे भी उनका था, तुम्हारी तरह ही था उनका, इसीलिए वो बोलती है अभी हम फ्रेंड हो गए तो अपना दिन बोरिंग नहीं जाएगा, कुछ ना कुछ खेलेंगे हम। बाय द वे वुड यू कम एंड हैव अ ब्रेकफास्ट विथ मी, आस्क पिप्पी। पिप्पी क्या कहती है उनको, चलो अभी हम क्या करेंगे, साथ में मिलके ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे। वाई नॉट से टॉमी, कम ऑन लेट्स गो। टॉमी एक्सेप्ट करता है और तुरंत चलने को कहता है। ओ यस लेट्स सेड अनिका। और वो अनिका को भी साथ में लेकर चलते। बट फर्स्ट आई मस्ट इंट्रोड्यूस टू यू मिस्टर नेल्सन। पर पहले मैं क्या करती हूँ, तुम्हें किससे मिलाती हूँ, माई फ्रेंड मंकी मिस्टर नेल्सन। दिस इज said Pippi, and the little monkey took off his cap and bowed down. मंकी क्या करता है, अपनी कैप निकालता है, सामने रखता है और नीचे ऐसे झुकता है। इस तरह से ये पूरी स्टोरी है। और वो तीनों भी फ्रेंड, 4 मंकी की, टॉमी, अनिका एंड पिप्पी एंड मिस्टर नेल्सन फ्रेंड्स बन जाते। होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड दिस स्टोरी। इफ़ नॉट आई एम गोइंग टू अगेन एक्सप्लेन यू। अगर आपको इसमें कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो तो यू कैन फील फ्री टू आस्क मी। एंड नाउ this is about author Astrid Lindgren, 1907 to 2002, was a Swedish writer. She is best known for her children's book series. The Pippi Longstocking stories are about an unusual girl. Pippi is brave, funny, and so incredibly strong that she can lift a horse up with one hand. Here is the name of author, means एस्ट्रिड लिंडग्रेन। उन्होंने ये स्टोरी लिखी हुई है। वो स्वीडिश की राइटर है। वो चिल्ड्रंस बुक के लिए, सीरीज़ के लिए बहुत पहचानी जाने वाली फेमस राइटर है। Now after that, see the words to know. Angel, a spiritual being that is believed to act as an attendant to God. Pippi's mother died when she was young. पिप्पी बहुत छोटी थी तब उनकी मदर की डेथ हो गई थी, इसलिए उन्हें कहा जाता था कि आपकी मम्मी एंजल बनी है, मीन्स देवदूत, गॉड के पास जाकर। ब्राइडेड मीन्स प्लेटेड। कैनिबल, समवन हु ईट्स अदर पीपल। Courage, bravery, the ability to do something that frightens you. Freckles, small patches of dark color on skin, often made darker by the sun. Remarkable, some or something worth noticing. Sidewalk, a paved pathway at the side of a road, means that's called footpath also. Stocking, very long socks. Socks everybody knows, na? Hope you all understand. And okay children, if you want to ask me any question, please call me and ask me. Okay, bye.